Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then locate and open accounts and backup, and just click on backup and restore. So to activate Google Backup, just click on backup my data, activate it, let's go back, and now it's time to add your backup account. Click on backup account, wait a couple of seconds until your device check all the information, and meanwhile make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. So now just use email address or phone number connected with your Google account. In my case it will be email address. Then tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is. And as only the password is entered, click on next. And now just come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all above, just click on I agree. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Click on accept to confirm your selection of this Google service. And that would be all. This is the end of the operation. Your backup is active and it includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Click on OK, and now it's over, like it's finished. You can use your device in a normal way, and you can be sure that your data is protected by Google. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.